Welcome to Van Life Scotland!
Well, good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Scotland Van Life.
Episode 1! We've just picked up the van. We rented through a company called Go Booney, which is basically like Airbnb, but for vans. And the loveliest woman, Donna, just showed us how to use everything. And now we're about to start the biggest adventure of all of our travels. And I'm on like a pure high right now. I'm so excited to get out there and explore Scotland.
Yeah, so now we gotta go get some snacks,
Yes,
provisions, everything we need for the road trip. And then we'll do a little tour of the van later when we
Get settled in?
get settled in, yeah.
You know what the #1 thing is on our list for provisions? Iron brew.
Iron brew!
Keep us fueled up while we're traveling. Okay, you ready to go, mate?
Let's go.
Oh wait, my side's over here. You did it!
Shoe on the left side of the road.
Woo! Ah, I did it. We've been to an Aldi before back in the States, but we've never had to get a cart, and it costs £1 to rent it. So you just stick the coin in, and I think when you come back, you push them in and it pops right out. These look all right. Oh, you just put it in a cup and put hot water in it. It's like ramen. Macaroni and cheese. It's only 49 pence. Do you want to try a curry noodle?
Sure.
Maybe mac and cheese?
Try it up.
I get some crushed red chilies because we have to have those.
Oatmeal, golden syrup.
Yeah. We're trying to make it like, so we have a fridge in the van, but it only works when it's connected to power, and we're trying to do some like off-grid type situations. So try not to buy anything that has to go in the fridge. Do we need a case of iron brew?
Oh yeah, mate.
I don't think we need a whole case. We don't have a lot of space. We're just gonna have to get creative, I reckon. I didn't really think this through. You think you can do like one dish and then you're like, you need 10 other things to make that dish, and it seems like, I don't know, challenging.
We could try it out for a couple of days and then reassess.
Yeah, maybe we get a campsite with a plug-in.
Got me some prawn crackers.
Ooh, also we can do pasta and pasta
yeah.
sauce. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, it's easy.
I know, super easy. I got 2 different kinds here. Like a pancetta sauce and then a bolognese. So
Got there some pre-mades.
Yeah, and I found the iron brew, which I'm really excited about. But the sandwiches are slim pickings. There's like egg and cheese or tuna and sweet corn. But there's sushi.
Iron brew.
Iron brew!
And prawn mayonnaise.
Oh yeah, and then here's the water here.
A few moments later.
It's just the dinner time that's a little difficult. I couldn't find one single red onion, but that's okay.
It's all right. We'll find some later in Scotland.
Yeah, we'll be good. This is good.
Just the start.
Everything's already full.
How's it going back there?
It's challenging, but we're making it work, I think. And we don't have to be super organized just yet. I just want to like get some things kind of in order, and then when we park for a night, we'll really get situated.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because there's plenty of room in here.
You want me to hand you stuff from the bags, or?
I do.
There you go.
Thanks. Oh, Jesus Christ. Might as well hand me the other bag. Okay, so basically I'm gonna put all the hard things in here. And we need a snack bag only for snacks.
A few moments later.
All right, provisions are secured.
Woohoo! Now, the road trip can't officially begin until we crack our Iron Brews! Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah! Shotgun!
Oh, the sugar-free definitely is not as good. If you don't know what Iron Brew is, it is Scotland's official soda.
Sorry, national soft drink.
Yeah, and they actually sell more Iron Brew than they do Coca-Cola or any other soda here in Scotland. And it tastes very much like...
Almost like bubble gum.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's
a lot.
It's so good. This is what's going to be fueling us for the rest of our adventures. Iron Brew, if you're watching, please sponsor us.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Brew. Let's drive across the parking lot. Meet Maddie and Sasha and then get on the road.
Looks like we found our parking spot for the night.
Welcome to our camp spot.
It's our first night in van life, and we have finally found a place to park, and we're right along this beautiful canal, and it's very quiet. Hopefully it stays that way.
Yeah, you can't see what it really looks like from this view, but right behind you we'll take a little walk around, show you what it's about.
Yes, and we used an app called Park for Night to find this spot, and actually I have to give credit to Maddie and Sasha because they're the ones who found it. But that's what we'll be using for this trip, to try and find different places to park and do a little bit more off-grid stuff, which is going to be a challenge for us.
We'll see how it goes though. We'll get settled in tonight and see what we do wrong.
It's going to be so much fun. Let's take a walk and show you the canal. And this is where we get to wake up tomorrow morning. Wow. Taken a video called 15 Seconds to Breathe. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll be familiar with these videos, but we always take them every now and then when the moment calls for just 15 seconds to breathe and clear your mind.
What is going on?
It's starting to get spooky. Something just ran in the bushes. It was a squirrel, but I just heard an owl hooting.
Oh, what a hoot.
Right. Yeah. Further. Just straight. Yeah. Almost there. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. No. Further. Right. Okay.
Poor little goat guy was lost. Or sheep guy. All right, cheers to the first night for us van life, but first night of van life for all of us together.
Van life in Scotland.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Sláinte
Sláinte.
2 hours later.
All right, well, we're all packed up here in the van, ready to go to sleep. What do you think about the first few hours of van life?
Yeah, it's been fun. We found a good spot to park, so nice little walk across an aqueduct and enjoy the Scottish countryside.
Yeah, so far so good, I guess. It's only been like a few hours, but this is our first night sleeping in the van. We still have yet to put up like all the blinds, and oh, I can already see him rocking the camera by moving around.
It's a little shaky. We're in a small van, so.
Yeah, there's a learning curve for sure. Actually, like right behind the camera is our porta potty, which we have not put together yet. But the most important part is, like, we're in a safe spot with friends. We got the bed made. It's nice and cozy in here. We've got a little glass of wine and a beer, and yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the night. So I guess we'll see you in the morning, see what kind of sleep we get. We are parked like near a major road, so you can kind of hear the cars coming, but honestly, I'm like on such a high right now that I'm just so excited to even be here and doing this.
Yeah, and then we get to wake up to the nice Scottish countryside.
I know. And you guys saw, obviously, from the footage earlier that we're right by this really cute little river. So I'd love to make some coffee and then take a little stroll. And it all sounds so romantic. We'll see what it's like actually in the morning.
Yeah, we'll see if Evan goes for a walk in the morning.
All right, on that note, we'll see you guys in the morning.
What time is it? Oh, 8:15. We made it through the night.
How'd you sleep?
Pretty good. Except the back window cover fell on my head in the middle of the night.
I was up a few times. I had to pee in the middle of the night twice, so I had to get up and do that. I'm cranky, I need coffee.
Alright, let's figure out how to do that. Early morning coffee with Evan.
It only took us 20 minutes to get to this point. Picked up this little Havana rum instant coffee when we were in Cardiff at Wally's, I think it was. Oh my God, it smells so good.
What else is Chef Evan gonna be making this morning?
Oatmeal.
Huh.
We bought like eggs and different things, but I figured for like first morning in van life, we'll just do something quick and easy. Now we can play the music. Do, 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 do. Van life is good. It's nice waking up here in nature.
First time driving on the left side of the road wasn't too bad, so
Yeah.
kind of up and down a few hills, through some turns and everything, so we'll see
Yeah.
how it goes in the next few days.
Yeah, I think one thing I wasn't expecting was just like how long everything takes. Like I not that I wasn't expecting it, but I forgot, like taking the bed apart. Like when we make the bed, we can't get into any of the like food or dishes or anything. So like we have to first thing do that, get that set up, and then get everything going. This took like 10 minutes to boil this water. Whereas normally like at home, it's so easy. Like we wake up, we walk down the stairs, we put the Nespresso pot in and boop.
Yeah, it's a lot quicker, but it's with van life. You gotta
Yeah.
teach it patience.
I know. Well, and the trade-off is that we get to wake up in beautiful places like this. Like it's amazing.
And then we'll get Evan to the point where she's not cranky in the morning too.
Mate, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, after I drink this, I'll be a different person. But I have to I have to pee, but we haven't set up the toilet yet. That's a whole nother thing. Maybe we'll do that in the next video. Oh, it's brand new.
Brand new. 4 to 5. Where Evan is sit on.
This is also how you like dump the thing, right?
Okay.
And then the chemicals or whatever that is goes in
Put
there,
in here.
right?
And then you close. There's not a lid for the, or maybe this is the lid. Okay.
A few moments later.
First pee was a success. On that note, thank you guys for coming with us on this adventure. I hope you liked this video. We're really excited to share this series with you. We're gonna be in Scotland for almost 2 weeks and with the van.
Yeah, so we're gonna try hitting as much as possible. This is go to some distilleries, some nature reserves.
Yeah. So if you have any suggestions, if you've been to Scotland and you've done a road trip, like please comment below, let us know if you've got any favorite places that you stopped at that we should, or if you have any campsites you want to share. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It's totally free. And hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Cheers. Ding.
It's hot. Cha-cha. That's a wrap, mate. Season 3.
Wrap. Where's your sound effect?
No, I didn't do it.
I only have pies for you.
Think frankly, my dear, I don't give a dram.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, here we go.
The van is a rockin'. It's because
Don't-
it's so small.